Have you ever wondered what makes Beaver Mountain in Utah a paradise for winter sports enthusiasts and nature lovers alike? Well, consider this your unofficial guide to exploring the charms of this hidden gem. Firstly, let's delve into the history of Beaver Mountain. Established in the late 1930s, Beaver Mountain is one of the oldest ski areas in the United States. It's a family-owned resort, which gives it a unique, friendly vibe that larger corporate-owned resorts often lack. Step 1 in our guide is getting there. Beaver Mountain is located in northern Utah, near the Idaho border. The easiest way to reach the mountain is by car, as it's a scenic 3-hour drive from Salt Lake City. Next, let's talk about the activities you can enjoy at Beaver Mountain. The resort is renowned for its winter sports with a range of well-groomed slopes that cater to all levels of skiers and snowboarders. If you're not into winter sports, don't fret, as the mountain also offers a wealth of activities during the summer months, from hiking and mountain biking to fishing and horseback riding. Step 3 in our guide is accommodation. While Beaver Mountain doesn't have on-site lodging, the surrounding areas offer a variety of options. From cozy cabins and bed and breakfasts, to more luxurious hotels and resorts, there's something to suit every taste and budget. Now let's talk about dining. Beaver Mountain has a charming day lodge where you can enjoy a hot meal or a quick snack, with a menu that offers something for everyone. Additionally, the nearby town of Logan boasts a variety of restaurants, cafes and bars that cater to a range of culinary preferences. The final step in our guide is exploring the surrounding area. Beaver Mountain is located near several beautiful natural attractions, including the Bear Lake and the Logan Canyon, both of which offer stunning views and plenty of opportunities for outdoor adventures. So, to summarize, Beaver Mountain, Utah is a destination that offers a rich history, a variety of activities for both winter and summer, a range of accommodation options, delicious dining, and stunning natural attractions. It's a place that truly has something for everyone, whether you're a thrill-seeking adventurer, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a peaceful retreat away from the hustle and bustle of city life. This concludes our unofficial guide to Beaver Mountain, Utah. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of one, remember that the magic of travel lies not just in the destination, but also in the journey. So, embark on your adventure with an open mind and heart, and let the beauty of Beaver Mountain inspire you.